How to access bookmarks on Chrome. So in this video tutorial I'm to show you how you can access your bookmarks and where you can find out and what kind of setting of bookmarks you can do to easily access your bookmarks. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Then okay, so please so let me open the Chrome browser. Okay guys, so here I'm on my Chrome. So here you can see this is my bookmark. I can show my bookmark on my toolbar and I can easily access it from here. I will show you how I can do this and how I can enable the access bookmarks. First thing we need to check whether our Chrome browser up to date or not. So how you can check it? Just click on this three dot option here. Just come to the help section. Under the help you need to click on this about Google Chrome. When you come here, the place will show is your Chrome browser up to date or not. If it is not, it will be start updating automatically and you have to just relaunch your Chrome browser. Okay, so now I will show you where you can find out your bookmarks. When you bookmarks anything, if I bookmarks this Yahoo search, what I need to do, if I want to bookmark this, I have to just click on the star button, so it will be automatically get name and folder. So here I have created lots of folder, so I can select the folder from here. This is by default folder. I just select this one and you have to just click on done, so it will be come here. Okay, so you can see this bookmark here. Okay, so I can enable the bookmarks. First you need to just click three dot option, go to the bookmarks, and you can enable disable the bookmarks like this. Okay, you can see the bookmarks has been hide now. I can also make the show the bookmarks here, but when you hide the bookmark from here, the current tabs, if I hide the bookmark from current tab, it will be hide, but if I open the new tab, it will be enable here. So this is for only current tab. If you want to find out your all bookmarks, you can go to this three dot option, go to the bookmarks, and here you can see the bookmarks manager. So this is to by default folder. We can create the subfolder like this. Okay, so I have created that subfolder. You can see I have all bookmarks here. You can also import export bookmarks. If you want to export this bookmarks in HTML file, you can export to your computer, and you can also import to the new computer or new Chrome browser from here, the same file. Okay, so that is how you can access your bookmarks. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.